Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we'll be doing another Leetcode problem. Problem number 328. Odd even linked list given the head of a singly linked list group of all nodes. This is a medium one by the way, and all nodes with the odd indices together followed by the nodes with the even indices return the reordered list. The first node in the linked list is considered as 1 because obviously it is the first node and the index of the first node is 1, and it is odd we know, and the second node is going to be even, so and so on. So we have to do this in order, so note that the relative order inside both of the even and odd groups should remain the same as it was in the input. So that's it. We have to do this by index, not by values. So 1 is on the odd index, 3 is on the odd index, 5 is on the odd index, so it will be coming, these three nodes will be coming first, and these two, 4, 2 and 4 will be coming at the very last. Now we have this linked list in which 2 is at the odd, 3 is at the odd index, 6 is at the odd index, and 7 is at as on the odd index. So they will be coming first. 2, 3, 8, 6, 7 and 1, 5 and 4 are on the even indexes, so we are going to just add them at the very end. So what we'll be doing is just checking first. So if there is not a head, we just want to return none. Okay, so now we will create an odd linked list and an even linked list. So odd will be starting from the head because the first node is going to be an odd node 1, and the even is going to be head dot next because the second node is going to be an even node, second node obviously. So it will be head dot next, and now we want to have our even node, even linked list head, which will be just even. So while even and even dot next is not null, doing this because there can be a even node or there can be not be a even node at the very end. So now odd dot next, we know that it should point to even dot next because the next of the even is going to be an odd node. If there is an even number, then obviously the next number of it is going to be an odd one. Now updating our odd, so odd dot next and doing the same. So even dot next now should point to odd dot next because the number or the index after the odd number is going to be an even index, and then we have to update our even. So even is equal to even dot next. Now we have our odd at the very end and the even at the very end, but we have evens had even head on the even head, even linked list head on the even head. So what we will be doing is, we know that odd is on the very end of the linked list, odd linked list, and even head is going to be the head of the even linked list. So they both are at the very end, even and odd both are at the very end of their linked list. So we will do even head. After that we can just return the head because the head is still the same. So that's it. Let's see if this works or not. This works, and that's it.